Hi, welcome back to this section regarding organization administration. In this new video, we will now be discussing the different user interface options and how to properly set them up for our organization's needs and requirements. Again, for this section and throughout the whole video course, we will be using the same organization as our sample company. Our company Mojo Electronics, which is used with Salesforce CRM, and any other CRM for that matter. Therefore, we can select almost all of the available user interface options to take advantage of the most advanced features of Salesforce. Additionally, since our company is new to Salesforce, there would be no user adoption issues that will come with introducing any of the new user interface elements to the system. So to start, let's just go to the Setup menu. Within the Setup menu, let's just navigate to Build, expand on Customize, before finally clicking on User Interface. So once in User Interface, we would customize all of the available options on Salesforce to suit our company's needs. Within this page, we can see all of the standard user interface options for Salesforce, and Salesforce will allow you to either opt out to any of its new features. There are several user interface features available in the onset, but for our example, let's just show the more commonly used examples. So first off, we have Show Quick Create. Show Quick Create adds a component in the Salesforce homepage for all relevant tabs. This component allows us to create different records like accounts, contacts, and leads right away. Next, we have Enable Hover Details. This enables a mini view on all record links and is very useful for enabling our users to get a quick glance of records, especially when presented in lists. Next, we have Enable Related List Hover Links. This is another useful feature which allows us to view a snapshot of all related records to a certain record. For example, it allows us to view all the related contacts, opportunities, activities, and notes and attachments to a particular account. Next, we enable inline editing. This feature allows us to edit a record straight from the detail page of that record. So for example, we have our account Global Media. We can instantly double-click on a particular field and just edit the field right away without going to edit. So we can just hit save to persist our changes. Next, just retain Enable New User Interface Theme. This is checked by default and enables users to see the interface that you are seeing right now. On the converse, you can disable this new user interface theme when working with much more dated browsers or much more dated systems. Next, just allow or enable the tab bar organizer. This allows us to view other tabs not shown necessarily on that particular app. Next, just enable spell checker, and it enables spell checking when entering records in the system. Next off, we'll configure interface features for the sidebar section and the calendar as well. So first off, for the sidebar section, let's just enable collapsible sidebar and show custom sidebar components. Enabling the collapsible sidebar allows the sidebar to be hidden in view when we want full screen access to the particular record or particular list view that we're currently viewing. Enabling show custom sidebar components allows us to view custom components created by administrators and developers and allows all users of the system to be able to see custom sidebar components. Next, we'll be configuring the UI features for our calendar. The calendar, let's just enable the following features. Enable homepage hover links, enable drag and drop editing on calendar views, enable click and create events on calendar views, enable hover links for my task lists. All of these features are turned on by default and allows for a more interactive calendar experience akin to other calendar apps like Google Calendar and Microsoft Outlook. Finally, we'll be enabling some features within Setup. So first off, we're enabling Page Layout Editor. Both features are mostly affecting developers and administrators of the system. The Page Layout Editor allows for a graphical layout editor and allows us to lay out the different fields and different sections within a particular record just by using a graphical layout engine that is available in Salesforce. Let's just click Save to persist our changes. As you have seen in the video, there are several features that we were not able to discuss within this video. So if you would like to know more about these other UI features, you can just visit salesforce.com help and training and just search on Configure User Interface to get more information about each particular feature in the user interface setting. This video's main objective is to help you administer the basic user interface options within Salesforce. As all organizations are different, each with a different setup and a different need. Some interface options might either be totally useful or totally unnecessary for some of these organizations. Therefore, learning how to set up these options by either enabling or disabling any of these new features is truly an essential information for administrators. On the next video, we will be discussing the different search settings within Salesforce and how to set them up properly for our organization. Bye, and thank you.